Alright guys, so I just wanted to do another edition of Chronicles of a Rookie HVAC Guy. Gave myself a nice little blood blister there. I got this Victory unit, and I just had a battle putting on this gasket, so I figured I would give you guys a little bit of a tutorial on how to replace one of these gaskets, because they are very, very tough to do. You can see that the gasket has holes and tears, so it definitely needs to be replaced. See this right here? So we will remove the gasket just by pulling it out. I found that after you remove the gasket, the old one, and throw it away, it is better to remove the door on these units. Watch out for the hood there. It's better to remove the door, go over, get yourself a couple of tools. Now, my boss gave me this gasket boss. Sometimes these work really well, but not on this particular type of gasket. Take that and just toss that right in the toilet for this type of gasket. Literally, I got here at 8 o'clock and it's now like 9:45, and I only did one door. That's how hard getting this gasket on was. So now what we need to do is, the first thing I do is I check the gap for the gasket to go in. I clear it all out, especially the corners. See, there's all this little debris and stuff that's in there. It's gonna screw up your seat in your gasket. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at the top or the bottom, whatever. I'm going to start at a corner. Start at a corner, and this is called a single dart. That's what they call this line right here that inserts in here. They call that a dart, or at least that's what I was taught. Now, usually you would take this gasket and seat it just like so and push, and it should go right in. This one actually does. The last one, it was near impossible to get the gasket on. So what I did, I kept having problems with the gasket kinking and stopping, like right here. See how it kind of stops? It doesn't want to seat in. So I take my Klein tools and I just push right in there. See that? This will save you guys a lot of time trying to put these gaskets in. Do not use a screwdriver, because a screwdriver will go right through and puncture inside here. So use something with a good, thickness about the width of the insert, maybe a little smaller, and you shouldn't have a problem. You just stick this thing right in, seat that in all the way down the line here. After you try to do a couple of these with your thumbs, forget it. One of our guys actually dislocated his thumbs putting gaskets in. So, all right, now I'm gonna pull the gasket to the corner so it lines up with the other slot. See how it lines up right there? I'm just gonna try to push with my fingers to see if this one will seat. Might have to slide that one over a little bit. Yeah, see, this one's gonna give me a hard time too. So I'm gonna do this again. All right. This is the other side. I'm gonna start to try to work it in. A little push. Line it up. Yeah. All right. I think I do a couple of shout outs while I'm making this video and showing you guys how to push this gasket in. And for the HVAC guys that I watch, big shout outs to guys like Heavy Diesel, NorCal Refrigeration and HVAC. He knows, you guys know him, he's a great guy. OC Refrigeration HVAC, another great guy. Jim Pentinato, everybody knows him. HVAC Service Tech, he's another good one. You know, I just want to thank everybody for watching and taking this journey with me as a new service tech, HVAC technician. So I am almost done with this gasket. You can see this one only took me about 15 minutes to do compared to an hour and a half on the last one, where I was killing my thumbs and fighting with this ridiculous piece of crap. For this gasket anyways. This works really well on other gaskets. Just push, 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 push. You know, learn new things every day. I've fought with these gaskets for a number of times and I finally figured them out the right way. It's funny, 2 weeks out of school I was put in my own truck as an HVAC service tech, and I really should have had about 3 more months of training on the job. But my boss figured just toss me to the wind and let me go. Alright, so there it is. The gasket's all on there. Nice. It's not coming up anywhere. I'll take the door now. The door goes back on, like so. Come on. There it is. There we go. There you go. 2 door gaskets. And they seal nicely. Alright, I guess we'll do this Norlake too, I'll show you. So this one, a little tight with this stuff here behind the door, but I believe I can get the gasket off without a problem. Yeah, this one will go a lot easier than the last one, I believe. But here it is. Is that tie light in action too, guys? Oh God, I love knives. Super sharp right out of the box too. Don't mess around with it. Okay. So yeah, this one's a little easier. You just push this one in, see, like so. And it pushes right into the groove for the gasket to go in. And down the side, the same thing, you want to push, 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 push. You other HVAC guys that are doing videos, man, you guys gotta get with the iVue glasses. You got your hands free. Once you learn how to line up your shot and keep everything in frame with the glasses, I think my videos come out pretty good. I don't know, you other HVAC guys, you guys let me know. Tell me what you think. I've been trying to have a couple of you other guys get a pair and check them out. OC, he keeps mentioning he wants to try them out. Get you 175 bucks. Get yourself a pair, guys. Have both your hands free, no more iPhones, holding an iPhone or a camera. It's a new day in the video business, guys. These Snapchat glasses and stuff that just came out. I've been making videos like that for a year. So it's nothing really new, but the fad is catching on, so get with the times, guys. Get with the times. Almost done. My thumbs are hurting. Ooh, almost gave a face reveal there. Yeah. That's it. We are all pretty much done. Just gotta seat it up a little more. A little bit right there, a little bit right there. That's good. All right. I'll show you guys another little trick too. If your gasket, if your door's not seating perfectly, you can take your screwdriver and just stick it in here a little bit and close the door. Give it a little bend like that, and then close. It should start to seat correctly. I see what's wrong. This gasket got to be moved up a bit and pushed in the corners. There you go. Now she's seated all the way. Perfect. All right, guys. Have a great holiday, everyone. Peace.